Hi, today I like to give you a simplest scientific method to build your own speaker design. I am Lev Aleshin, 10 years experienced speaker builder. I have designed and built tens of speaker designs and like to share my experience with you. Today I like to tell about the building method of your speakers based on speaker vendor recommendations. Typically with speaker documentation there is a vendor recommended cabinet design. It can be a sealed box of a specified volume or a vented box of a specified volume. So if your speaker have such design in documentation, you can follow the vendor recommendation and design your own cabinet on this data. As we're just learning and can't do much of calculations and modeling, I'll show you the simplest design. I show you a design of the sealed box of the given volume. Let's say the volume of the box specified by the speaker vendor, by the driver vendor, is 1000 cubical centimeters. Then you should find the speaker dimensions, speaker size in each direction for this volume. This is the internal volume of the box. So the internal volume is 1000 cubical centimeters. I recommend you to build a box with a size relationship of 1.25 to 1.25. So if we have, for example, 1000 cubical centimeters volume, it can be internal dimension of box for 10 centimeters and 125 centimeters and 80 centimeters. That give us a volume of 1000 centimeters. If you just starting to build your own design speakers, I recommend you to start with full range speakers. It's a simplest way to design a speaker. You don't need to build filters to calculate frequency response and etc. So I show a design of a full range speaker, and we will design the sealed box with a volume given by a speaker vendor. So when you have an internal dimension of the speaker, you should add the material with. For example, you build your speaker over plywood of 15 millimeters, so you should add 15 millimeters in any direction, double. So if you have an internal height of speaker 10 centimeters, then external height be 13 centimeters. Also, I recommend to add some soft material inside the speaker to remove the medium frequency echo inside the speaker. It will sound more clearly this way. Also, for listening of your speakers, you will need an amplifier. You can start with a simple D-class amplifier, but I recommend you to try the A-class amplifier or another type of analog amplifier. I personally use the transistor class A amplifier built by the topology of John Lindsay Hood. It is very popular in the hi-fi enthusiast around the world. It's many people make this amplifier by themselves, do it yourself. But you can use much of amplifiers. It's not very. The amplifier is not as much affect the sounding as the speaker itself. The speaker is the main component of sound system. It's have more significant influence to the sound of a system wall. Also, you should have a signal source, but you can use just your mobile phone or a PC or some other device to play your records. So about the speaker box plan, I recommend you to use this topology to for parts of your speaker box. The front panel is have a full height and the full width of your speaker box, and the top panel is like shown on this picture. So it be look good if you leave the plywood sides with that have strips, that have bands on the side. You should place parts to hide this plywood sides. Well, it's at least I prefer to build my box this way. Building homebrew speakers at your garage or at your home, it's a very nice hobby to have. And the perfect thing is that you can build the industry grade device at your home, which can't be done in the other electronic devices such as computers, amplifiers, etc. But you can build